We will look about text mail subscriber. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. What is a text mail subscriber? A text mail subscriber is a person who confirms the subscriptions of people through their emails. They usually tell some sort of critical information. There are many devices that deal with the email's sort of functionalities. The text mail subscriptions are very useful because they let a user surf through. Is a text mail subscriber a scam artist? Text mail subscriber is not necessarily a scam, although there are many scams. You must do some research about the company that is sending your emails. Can I find out who owns a text mail number? There are three options to find out. First, text them and ask. Second, Google the number and see if it is linked to any social media or another account with a name. Third, get a court order to force the telecoms company to release the information. In most countries, this will need to be brought by law enforcement, and they will need to demonstrate a crime has or which has been reported. Now, what is a text mail subscriber voicemail? A text mail subscriber voicemail is a service in which the user can read plain text email versions of any voicemail if anyone tries to reach you. You cannot call a message to any text mail subscriber. You only can leave a voicemail. Your electronic message will be converted into plain text or numeric characters. You may also have seen that many online services are available to call on the number. They give you a real phone number to make a call. But when a call does not go through due to lack of numbers, you will receive voicemail that text mail subscriber is not available. Signs a text message is a scam. To avoid scammers, you should know how you can find them. There are two types of text messages: branded and non-branded messages. If you receive branded text message or email on your device, it must show a name instead of their number. This is a message from any brand or a registered company from your government. A company which is registered is verified that their promises are genuine and you can believe them. These brands do not generate fake offers to scam people, but there are still chances that they can do the scam. If you receive text message or email addresses from any random number, then there are chances that he is a scammer. Non-branded one is the message from any random number. These messages are usually fake and scam because they aren't verified and their brand is not registered. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.